I know.
Oh, you could get airborne on this one here.
Here we go. Here we go.
Car stop for
Oh. Here we go. Here we go. Watch this. Oh. Oh shit. There's still no gas.
Dude, them brakes sound horrible.
The store just says ice. Just ice. It's probably the most profitable business. I can't imagine if they were higher than the gas station right in front of them.
All right, go.
Little donkey punch on a face.
Out a little bit, I got to talking with Trock. Turned out him and his friends, they did have an extra couch that somebody could stay on. So I went over to their house and stayed for like 3 months, you know. And we would, most of the time, so I was reading in some of his Jerry Jeff Walker records, and it turns out he records most of his stuff in this little town, not really a studio, but a little town called Lukenbach, Texas, that you might remember from that. Oh, and so I go in there, and it's like one of them bars, like everyone's drinking beer, and they're like, say 20 people in there, and they say 17 teeth total in the whole place. And I'm not a good fighter or very good at protecting myself at all, you know? So I thought, well, this may not work out. And so I saw behind the bar there was this one older woman. She looked like she was in her 80s, and she kind of hunched over like I remember my grandma started to do. She had curly white hair, and she's all. I thought, well, I could take her, so I went over there. I go up to her. I says, man, we're trying to find Lukenbach, and it's too short not to love everybody. Life's too long to hate. I meet a lot of men haggle and finagle all the time, trying to save a nickel, maybe make a dime. She said, not me, boy, no siree, you know, I ain't got the time. There's one guy that used to sit in the corner every Friday night and listen to me play.
And we're stuck. Cause like just a low tire pressure gauge.
No big deal.
No big
I got
deal.
that. As soon as I opened that door, I could hear it hissing. Oh, shoot. It's not just a bad sensor. It's
Yeah.
flat.
I know that thing.
And you know if the tire pressure system is going off, that it's a big flat.